By School of RPA. In this video, we are going to answer the question: should BA upgrade to become RPA business analyst? And if so, how? Stick around till the end of the video where we have a surprise for you. Guys, this is Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and check out all the links we mentioned in this video. You can find the links in comment section below. Guys, most of you watching this video are business analysts or have worked as a business analyst in some capacity. I know that a lot of you nowadays must be hearing a lot about RPA and what a fantastic opportunity RPA offers. In terms of salary and growth, at the same time, you must be wondering if you, as a business analyst or a functional consultant, can get a piece of RPA action. Well, let's see. As we progress in this presentation, I will explain how you can become an RPA business analyst and give a boost to your career. Well, let me just say that you can become an RPA business analyst, but the question is, why should you? Why take all the effort to learn, and why can't you just use your existing BA skills in RPA projects? Let me start by saying that RPA is a totally new skill set, and while RPA is a domain agnostic technology, but as a BA, you still need to understand the RPA lifecycle as well as the underlying architecture of the RPA tool. You should also be able to understand how RPA works and what kind of processes are sustainable for automation. So let's discuss some of the issues that you as a BA face in your career at the moment. If we see the current career trajectory of most of the BAs, then we realize that the picture is very loop-sided, bearing a few BA who are in the hot domains like finance, banking, or e-commerce. Most of the business analysts actually earn very less salary, at least in India. Consider the fact that a BA in finance domain earns 3 times more salary than a BA in any other domain. So what should other BAs do to increase their earning potential? After all, switching domain is not an easy task. Also, many BA realize that after a while their income plateaus and there's not much scope for growth. All those BA who agree with what I have just told you, I will urge you to learn RPA and become RPA business analyst. RPA is not only a latest skill set in the market, but it also offers a great earning potential and exciting projects. Once you get certified as a RPA business analyst, you can actually get 50% to 80% hike on your current CTC and a very fast career growth. After all, who doesn't want to earn more? As of today, there are only 4 technologies that are on growth, and let's look at what they are and how that impacts you. As of today, there are only 4 technologies that are growing very fast, and they are cybersecurity, robotic process automation, mobility, that is Android and iOS development, and cloud computing like AWS or Google Cloud. Out of these, RP is the only technology that is easy to learn and offers great earning potential at the same time. RP is the only technology that has scope for technical and non-technical people. So why do RPA BA earn more than other types of BA? Now companies implementing RPA technologies pay more because of 2 main reasons. First is cost reduction. Now most of the RPA projects are either cost reduction or increasing efficiency projects that allows companies to save hundreds and millions of dollars. So obviously they are happy to pay you as you are helping them to save to achieve a huge amount of cost saving. Second reason is demand supply gap. Now, as of today, there is a huge demand for RP talent, but a very limited supply. So, salaries are higher. Now, this situation is not going to last forever, which is why you should learn RPA and get in the game now. Guys, thank you for watching this video. And if what I have said to you makes sense to you, then give us a call today and opt for our free career consultation. We offer RPA Business Analyst course with following features. So we have online instructor-led training. We have flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience. So it can be weekdays, weekends, whatever is most suitable to you. We make sure you get certified as a RPA Business Analyst. We also prepare your resume and do a one-to-one interview preparation for you. And yes, there is always the placement assistance. And guys, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming video. Is it too late for me to learn RPA? Hint, it's not.